If you used to use CarPlay or Android Auto in your car, probably you've connected and disconnected the cable to your phone thousands of times. How annoying that is! Especially when you have a short cable, a broken cable, messy cables, or you're in a hurry. Such a bad experience. You deserve a better one. Now you can enjoy wireless CarPlay and Android Auto with our simple plug-and-play adapter. Connect it once and forget about it. It's that easy. Just plug and connect with your phone. That's all. Connects and loads automatically every time you enter the car. Android Auto and CarPlay.
Hey Siri.
Keep your phone in the pocket or bag. Have fun along the way.